5 signs your mobile dashboard isn't working. 1. You're still chasing reports by email. Spreadsheets and PDFs are static. Executives need live insights, not lagging data. 2. Your KPIs are hard to find. If your top metrics are buried, the dashboard is slowing, not supporting your decisions. 3. It feels clunky. Mobile dashboards must be designed for speed. If it takes more than 30 seconds to get clarity, it's a liability. 4. No drill down on the go. A headline metric without context is noise. You need to explore the why instantly, anytime, anywhere. 5. Only showing internal data. Relying solely on internal metrics gives you half the story. Market and external data complete the picture. You recognize 2 or more of these signs, or worse, don't have a mobile dashboard at all. It's time to rethink your tools. At Data Submarine, we design executive-grade, mobile-first dashboards built for clarity, speed, and confident decision-making. Let's have a conversation.